shadows on cobblestone. When you were young, they assume you know nothing. Sequined smile, black lipstick, sensual politics. When you were young, they assume you know nothing. But I knew you, dancing in your Levi's, drunk under the streetlight. I know you, under my sweatshirt, baby, kiss it better. And when it felt like I wasn't no Cardigan, you put me on and said I was your favorite. Our friends who owes, our friends who none, chase two girls, lose the one. When you were young, they assume you know nothing. I know you, playing hide and seek and giving me a weekend's eye. I know you, your heartbeat on a highlight once in 20 lifetimes. And when it felt like I wasn't no Cardigan, you put me on and said I was your favorite. Kissing cars, downtown bars is all we needed. You drew stars around my scars, and now I'm bleeding. I know you, stepping on the last string, mark me like a blood stain. I know you, try to change the ending, losing Wendy. I knew you, living like fodder, running like water. When you are young, they assume you know nothing. But I knew you'd linger like a tide would kiss. I knew you'd haunt all of my what ifs. The smell of smoke would hang around this long, 'cause I knew everything when I was young. I know I'd curse you for the longest time, chasing shadows in the closer real life. I knew you'd miss me once the thrill expired, and you'd be standing in my front spotlight.